Shelby here from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I work in the shops here in town. I'm actually one of the assistant managers. Just want to let you guys know a few things about me so that when I'm not here and I'm not working or quilting at home, just some of the things that I like to do. So I love spending time with my family. We do dinner and game nights, which can get a little competitive, but who doesn't, you know? I also love spending time with my dog. She's usually under my feet when I'm quilting, but when we're not at home doing that, we're usually off on an adventure, going for a drive or anything. And I also love to read. So in my spare time, you'll probably catch my nose in a book. So I love working here and I love being able to just create. And some of the projects that I have here are probably some of my top of the list items. So one of them is the stuffed animal, and these are actually made from Minky. This is a little dragon. He's super soft, and his wings even bend, so it's one of the great little features about him. And that's great. One of my other things, this one was pretty cool. It's a wall hanging inspired by my own boots that I wear. So a lot of little details in there, even to the stitching. So if you're a cowboy boot wearer, you know, it's got every little detail on there, and it's great. A lot of color, and the flowers, they're Cafe, so I love being able to fussy cut his stuff. So, and then last but not least was one of my favorite things. So when I started working here, I was drawn to the idea of making a Lone Star quilt, but I was terrified to start it. But after 6 years, I was like, I'm gonna do it. This is the year, we're gonna do it. I started working on it and I was like, you know what? We have a machine that's gonna make this so much easier. And it's the AccuQuilt cutter. And I got all of my angles right, you know, it cut the first time. And I was like, I can do this again, so I can start adding so many more. It's a small one to start with, but it's definitely in the plans to make a larger one. So very rich in color. One of the things is the blue in here. It just pops out and complements it all the way around. It draws your eyes from outside to in and then back out. And then the background actually has a lot of detail to it itself. So there's a lot of bison footprints in there. And then the quilt pattern that I chose, which really made me think about it, was bison in the open plains. So the pattern is wind swirl. So if you think about open plains, there's a lot of wind. So it just really flows right along with the border. And then the backing is absolutely stunning. So if there's anything I have to say when going into a quilt or anything that you do not be intimidated by the pattern. It might look hard, you know, but once you start breaking it down and getting into it and realizing the beautiful piece that you're going to get afterwards, you're going to love it. All right, so I've showed you what I can make and the great things that we're all capable of doing here. So why don't you show me what you're working on, and be sure to use hashtag MSQC Show and Tell.